Creating distressed edges and border effects is not a difficult process in Photoshop or Photoshop Elements. And a quick search online will quickly find you a range of free brushes made by others that work very well to create these effects. In this video we're going to demonstrate how to make the edges, but we do have a unique way of doing this which allows us to mix and match and almost make as many edge effects as we wish. Edge effects can be applied directly to our images in Photoshop or Photoshop Elements, but there is a degree of permanence in doing it that way for audio-visual. Perhaps a better way is to apply edge effects via Pictures to Exe masks. This way we have the freedom to change our minds and not be locked into one edge effect or one background. Experience in making audiovisual tells me that what I think is wonderful on Monday, I often find far less than wonderful by Friday, so flexibility is what we need to go hand in hand with our creativity. In our tutorial, we also demonstrate how copy and paste in Pictures to Exe will speed up the process considerably. The use of masks leaves us with all the scope we need. We can easily change the edge effect, all the individual images, or the entire show in one go. This is the background or the mask for the entire show, as long as we've used the same one all the way through, of course. We can change the images and or animate them within the static edge effect we've created. We can do this over a Pictures to Exe generated background or one we create ourselves in our image editor. Lots of fun, lots of creativity and lots of options here.